Hey guys, in this video we're showing you a cluster of 3 seizures. An absence seizure that turns into an eyelid myoclonia, as well as a tonic seizure for which duration is unknown. Overall time is 10 minutes and is considered status epilepticus.
Zina, come back here with my socks. Okay, wakey, then. Come on, you wanna make this a short one? Hmm? Come on.
This is an absence seizure and she's been in it for a couple of minutes already.
Hey mommy, wakey, okay? Come on, we wanna make this one a short one. Okay? Come on, snap out of it, baby. Hmm? Come on, wakey. Come on. Baby, lick your mama's feet. Hmm? Lick your mama's feet. Oh, look here. Come on, wakey, hon. Come on, breathe. Come on, take a breath. That's good. Come on, take a breath, relax. And take a breath, okay? That's good. Hey, hi sweetie. Come on out of here. Come on. Come on, snap out of it, okay? Come on. Come back. Come back to mommy. Take that off, okay? Just relax, honey. Relax and breathe. Relax and breathe. Relax and breathe, honey. Relax and breathe. Just breathe. It's okay. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Okay, mommy. Just relax. Relax, come on. It's okay, honey. Come on. Relax. Okay? Okay. Come on. Just relax, okay? Just relax, mommy. Just relax. Okay, come on. Just relax, please. Just relax. Relax, okay. Just relax. Come back. Okay, come on. Come on. Come back. Come back. Okay, come on, mommy. Okay, relax. Okay, Zima, that's enough, okay? It's okay, honey, everything is fine, alright? Come on, just relax and start breathing. That's good. Just breathe. Breathe. Hi. Hi, mommy. Hi. You wanna lay down? You wanna lay down? Hi. Breathe, okay? Breathe. Get some oxygen in there. Come on. You're doing good. Come on. Let's get some oxygen in there. Come on. Breathe. 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 Come on. Breathe. 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 Okay, come on. Just breathe, honey. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Wake up. Come on. Okay, mommy. Okay, just relax. There you go. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, mommy. Hi. Hi. You wanna lay down? You have a headache? Muscles too? Hurt? Which muscles? Everything? Okay. Do you want to lay down in my bed or you want to go to your bed? You want to go to your bed? Okay, hold on. Don't get up yet. I'm going to help you. Okay? I'm going to go together. Alright? Okay, grab me. You can't walk? Okay. Okay. Are you okay? Hi. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put your arm around my shoulder. Hi, mommy. You're gonna put your arm around my shoulder, and I'm gonna lift you up. Okay?
Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't found answers you're looking for, we have many more videos on the subject of seizures and epilepsy. If you have any concerns or questions, leave us your comments. And we also invite you to join our RealXL Epilepsy Portal support group on Facebook. The link to it is in the description below the video. And here are some more of interesting videos to watch. Please remember to share our videos on your social media for epilepsy awareness.